As the head of a company, you have a lot of responsibilities. Above all, you have to make sure your business is running as efficiently and effectively as possible. For manufacturing companies, this can be an incredibly daunting task. You have concerns regarding quality control, repeatability, safety, manufacturing rate, costs, scaling the business, and much more. You know that if you can be more efficient in your manufacturing process, your business will become much more profitable. Key business stakeholders are relying on you to continue to grow the business by increasing profitability, improve productivity, getting product to customers, continuously communicating with customers, and staying ahead of the competition. But you have to ask the question, how can I boost my manufacturing rate while simultaneously expand the safety of the work environment? The simple solution is to use automation. You may have some concerns about propelling your business into the automation world. Maybe you are concerned about the overall cost of implementing automation technology, or maybe you're concerned about the additional support needed for implementing automation. These are valid concerns, but the benefits of automation outweigh the drawbacks. There are many benefits of automation. I will list some here. Overall lower operating cost, improve worker safety, reduce factory lead times, quick return on investment, increased productivity, consistent and improved production quality, optimized processes, and better visibility of operations, to name a few. So, the next question is, who will be implementing the automation? Maybe you have a lack of skilled workers to implement the automation, or maybe you or your employees are too busy. Maybe you had a vendor you had used before, but for whatever reason, you cannot or will not use them. There's a lot to think about when developing an automation solution, such as obtaining proper requirements, project management, scope management and control, change and revision control, identifying project specifications, resource management, sourcing hardware, sourcing third parties as needed, system development, system assembly, subsystem and system testing, documentation, management, and control, infrastructure deployment, so on and so forth. That is a lot to think about. What do you do now? Many companies have had a great experience with Blaze Technology. They are a systems integration service whose emphasis is on business intelligence. In fact, they have their own computing platforms to support some of their more intelligent solutions. Their capabilities range from third-party manufacturing, including, but not limited to, mechanical, electrical, and software development. They are a highly efficient development company for your automation control system test and measurement needs. Check them out. Please contact Blaze Technology either by email at info@blazetechnology.net or by phone at 346-382-3022. If you wish to drop by their location, schedule an appointment. The first consultation is always free. We can discuss your business goals to see where Blaze Technology can help you automate your processes. Your success is our business.